Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve Jin and
This is Uncle Don.
Okay, so today we have a very special episode here. It's been a while I filmed a video and my friend Rich Lux was here last week and told us the most expensive supermarket in California called Erewhon, and we decided to go check it out. And the goal to go there today is to find anything that is gluten-free because Uncle Don has said to say he need to eat gluten-free. So we went shopping and we just got home. We want to show you all the things we bought, and then Uncle Don gonna make a gluten-free meal. At the end of the video, we're gonna tell you how much the whole thing costs. Let's get started this video.
It's very upscale. They have a lot of their own products. You'll see some here. It's kind of shocking how expensive some stuff is.
Some stuff, but not all of them.
And but we got some stuff today, not just a gluten-free only, but we found some stuff today that we thought actually wasn't too bad of a deal. So, and actually some stuff that was on sale.
You know what, speaking about that, all the bloggers, they vlog about the Erewhon, right? They only focus how expensive it is, but in reality, there's stuff on sale, and the price is actually cheaper than the supermarket.
Well, and some of these things are very unique products, and so to find them at that price, that's a very good thing. And so, we'll tell you at the end of the video how much we spent.
Yes.
And by the way, we bought stuff not just for the dinner I'm going to cook tonight, but we bought stuff for, several dinners. So when you see the price, it's not just for what we cook tonight.
Yes.
So, but anyway, we're going to show you what we bought. We're not going to say how much we paid for everything.
Okay, let's see what we bought so far.
Okay, the first thing was a dozen organic eggs. And these actually are available in a regular market.
Okay.
And so we got a dozen regular eggs in there. Ooh,
I want eggs.
Okay. For the dinner tonight, we got scallops. So this is scallops, dry, wild, fresh, skin packed. And a lot of the stuff at Erewhon is in plastic. That's one little problem I have. I'm all about like too much plastic.
We were very excited to find all this gluten-free pasta.
So this was quite the find. This is a brand called Taste Republic, and these are all gluten-free. This is gluten-free fettuccine, which we're going to use tonight. This is gluten-free 4-cheese tortellini, which we'll make down the road. And then here's some more gluten-free pasta. All of these are fresh pasta, you can see here. And these were actually on sale.
I cannot believe that.
Yeah, these were on sale. They were regularly, I think, $6.49.
$7.99.
On sale for $5.49.
Something like that, yeah.
$5.49.
That's what we're gonna make this tonight. We'll just tell you how good is this or not good. Finger crossed. What else we have?
Okay, so we need, this is a brand that we buy all the time. It's gluten-free. It's called Canyon Bakehouse, and this is their mountain white bread. You can buy this in any market. At Erewhon's, it was $8.99. In a regular market, you can get it anywhere from $6.99 to $7.99.
So it's about 15 to 20% more.
Yeah, about $1 more. This was interesting. We're dying to try this. This is a loaf of gluten-free sourdough bread. It was also on sale, regularly $14.99, I think for like $9.99, something like that. We wanted to ask people what they thought of it because we're a little bit weird about how dense it feels. But we're going to try it tonight with olive oil and balsamic vinegar.
Cool.
So gluten-free.
Oh, I hope it's good.
I hope so too. Sourdough bread. We also got some made in Italy gluten-free dry pasta. The other ones were fresh pasta. Linguine.
100% organic.
100%.
And that's also on sale. It's really hard to find linguine at the regular supermarket gluten-free.
So this was a little bit of a splurge. This is the actually Erewhon olive oil. Little bottle. This is a 8.5 fluid ounce bottle. It was $12.
Is that expensive?
It's expensive. This one here, this big one, this one is about $9.
Oh, okay, that's expensive. I wonder why it's so expensive because I feel like everything is organic in the store.
Yeah, I don't think everything is organic, but okay. Then for our pasta down the road, this is Rouse. You can buy this in any market, but this was on sale.
I feel like we scored, like everything is on sale.
And normally in the market, this one's about $9, and we bought it today at Erewhon's for $8. $8, about $1 less. This is very famous Italian restaurant in New York City. You can almost not even get in. It's reserved for life.
I can't wait for our dinner tonight.
There's Ralph. Now we're going to use this for something different because tonight we are going to make
Ta-da! Erewhon pesto.
Erewhon pesto, basil pesto sauce.
How much is?
So this little baby right here, and just to give you an idea how big this is, and we'll compare it to the olive oil bottle. Again, this little baby right here was $14.99.
I think that's $21.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
$21.
$21, $22.
So this is basil pesto. We saw this on another blogger's website, and so we're gonna make pesto pasta using
Ooh, that sounds so good.
this tonight. So $21 for that.
But in reality, to make a fresh your own, the time, everything you buy, it'll be close to $18. So
Yes. And then, last but not least, to go in our pasta tonight, we bought some fresh, organic cherry tomatoes.
try one. Let's see how this tastes.
And they are,
Try
here, I'll give it a try.
very crunchy.
Mmm.
Certified organic.
Wow, they're very good.
Let me try the small one. Let's save some for cooking. So, oh, that's a bit. Mmm.
Very good.
Oh, it's kind of sweet.
Very good flavor.
That looks like a brick.
Okay. Put some of it down. Let's try it for. Ooh, it looks good. Try it.
How do you know it's a good olive oil?
You need to be able to taste the olive. It's good.
I don't know about olive oil.
And it's
so-
got a little bit of a tiny bit of a spiciness to it. So now we're going to put some balsamic vinegar in there. Just a classic way to eat the bread. There's a reason why it was on special. Sandy.
Sandy, really? Kind of fall apart in the mouth.
Because it's, well, gluten-free, but they didn't put enough something in there to make it soft.
Bottom line, don't buy this.
Here, I have the toaster ready. I'm going to try to see if that makes it any better.
Okay, so we toast the sourdough bread. It's actually much better. Instead it tastes sandy, it tastes kind of like
Creamy on
Creamy.
the inside.
yeah,
Crunchy on the outside.
creamy inside, crunchy outside. Not bad. I'm gonna do scallop.
Scallop first. We're going to toss in a little olive oil. So, season side down.
How long each side?
It depends on how big the scallop is. And how hot your oven top can get.
So maybe the brownish maybe go about 1/8 of an inch.
It needs to look like that. Crusty on top. Could be a little bit more, but I like mine like that. And so we're going to take them out. You can see the bottom is good. We're going to put them to the side. Leave this in the pan. A little bit of stuff. We're going to add quite a bit of olive oil to this. I'll show you what we're going to do.
We're still not using Erewhon olive oil.
Turn down the oven a little bit. It's top. Trying to give it richness. Got our oven down. Now we're going to put in some crushed red pepper. And we're going to flavor that oil.
Sure. Flambe. Put my camera away. I don't burn my phone.
Then we're going to drop our pasta. It's soft.
Soft.
It's like fresh pasta.
At least it's not breaking apart. Oh wait, after I said just breaks.
So you want to kind of pull it apart.
Don't we need to put some olive oil in there so the same?
No. So again, this we're going to put
Erewhon gluten-free seafood pasta.
crab.
So that was our leftover crab.
Let the sauce thicken up. This will get 3. That'll be babies.
All right, the moment of truth.
So here
What do you call this dish name here?
Fettuccine with pesto and fresh tomatoes, crab and scallop.
From Erewhon.
So let's try the scallop first.
It's really good.
Oh. Wow. Scallop is delicious.
It's good.
Very
So
good.
happy to hear that. Consider how much we spent for 5 scallops.
Wow.
That good.
It is really good.
I think, what about a pasta sauce? Does it taste?
It's not too cheesy or garlicky. The spiced olive oil that I did, it's just delicious.
After the tasting, we're gonna go sit down, really enjoy. But for the video, we're gonna do this for you guys. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love the pasta.
Pasta is awesome.
We need to go back to buy more of the pasta. It's so
The
good.
pasta is crazy good.
It is so hard to find good gluten-free pasta.
Wow, is it good.
Scallop. Scallop is very good. So overall, we spent about $129
$29.
for all those items that there. I think overall it's not bad. I really enjoyed the meal.
Yeah, and if you think about it, if you have that pasta in any metropolitan city, I mean, it's gourmet.
Yeah.
It's very, very good, very rich. The seafood came out. The scallops are fresh.
So good.
The pesto is excellent, and the pasta is spectacular.
We're definitely gonna go back to find more of this pasta. It is so good.
And so anyway, there you go, $129 for everything, and we probably have 5 or 6 meals out of that.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. Alright, if you like video like this, follow us over here, turn on the notification bell. So in the time and day I release my video, and follow Uncle Don at
Epicurious_Uncle Don on Instagram.
and also check out our Disney channel, One Step Adventure. We go to Disney on a regular basis, so we'll show you all the theme park, the food, the merch. Happy holiday, we'll see you very soon. Bye! Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.